Look at your skin closely. Fine lines, wrinkles, dullness, sagging. This isn't just aging, this is collagen disappearing from your body, day by day. By the age of 25, your collagen production starts declining. By 40, you've already lost nearly half of it. And no cream, no serum, no expensive treatment can truly fix it from the outside. Because real anti-aging starts from within. But here's the truth most people don't know. There are powerful natural foods that can rebuild collagen, repair your skin, and make you look younger, naturally. Welcome to Off-Grid Roots. This is not just another health channel. This is where ancient wisdom meets modern science, where we uncover forgotten remedies, natural healing secrets, and powerful foods that your body truly understands. Number 1. Bone broth. Let's start with the king of all collagen foods, bone broth. Used for centuries in traditional cultures, this powerful liquid is made by slowly simmering animal bones. This process extracts collagen, gelatin, amino acids like glycine and proline. These compounds don't just support your skin, they rebuild it from the inside. Bone broth improves skin elasticity, reduces wrinkles, strengthens joints, and even heals your gut lining. If there's one food you should consume daily for anti-aging, this is it. The original collagen superfood, bone broth is loaded with type 1, 2, and 3 collagen, helping rebuild skin, joints, and gut lining. It reduces wrinkles, improves skin elasticity, and heals your body from the inside out. Number 2. Sardines. Tiny fish, massive benefits. Sardines contain marine collagen plus omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and keep your skin youthful, hydrated, and glowing. Sardines may be small, but they are incredibly powerful. They contain marine collagen, which is easier for your body to absorb. Plus, they are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation, one of the biggest causes of aging. Regular consumption can lead to smoother skin, fewer wrinkles, and better hydration. Number 3. Egg whites. Egg whites are a hidden gem. They don't contain collagen directly, but they are rich in proline, a key amino acid needed to produce collagen. Your body uses these building blocks to naturally create strong, healthy skin. Egg whites don't contain collagen directly, but they are rich in proline, a key amino acid your body uses to produce collagen naturally. Number 4. Chicken skin. One of the richest sources of type 2 collagen, essential for joint health and skin firmness. This is why traditional diets valued every part of the animal. Chicken skin is one of the best sources of type 2 collagen, which supports joints and skin structure. In traditional diets, nothing was wasted. And now science is proving those traditions were right all along. Number 5. Salmon. Salmon is packed with collagen and omega-3s. These nutrients protect your skin from damage, reduce inflammation, and improve elasticity and hydration. Salmon skin is packed with collagen and omega-3s that protect against aging, reduce wrinkle, and improve skin hydration. Number 6. Citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, grapefruits, all rich in vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production. Without vitamin C, your body cannot produce collagen effectively. No vitamin C, no collagen. It's that simple. Citrus fruits like oranges and lemons are essential for collagen synthesis. They help your body convert amino acids into collagen effectively.
Number 7. Amla. Amla, also known as Indian gooseberry, is one of the most powerful anti-aging fruits in Ayurveda. It boosts collagen production naturally, brightens skin, and slows down aging at the cellular level. A powerful Ayurvedic superfruit, Amla boosts collagen naturally, improves skin tone, and slows down premature aging. Number 8. Acerola cherry. One of the highest natural sources of vitamin C in the world. It supercharges collagen production and gives your skin a natural glow. A small fruit that holds one of the biggest secrets to youthful skin, the acerola cherry. At first glance, it looks like just another cherry, but don't be fooled by its size, because this tiny fruit is one of the most powerful natural sources of vitamin C on the planet. In fact, it contains up to 50 to 100 times more vitamin C than an orange. Yes, you heard that right. And why does that matter? Because vitamin C is not just another nutrient, it is the backbone of collagen production. Without vitamin C, your body simply cannot produce collagen efficiently. No matter how much collagen-rich food you eat, without vitamin C, your body cannot activate it. Number 9. Garlic. Now let's move to something simple, but incredibly powerful. Garlic. It's in almost every kitchen, but very few people realize its anti-aging potential. Garlic contains natural sulfur compounds, and sulfur plays a critical role in protecting collagen in your body. You see, collagen doesn't just need to be produced, it needs to be preserved, because every day your collagen is being broken down by stress, by sugar, by pollution, and by aging itself. Garlic acts like a shield. It helps prevent collagen breakdown and supports the enzymes needed to rebuild it. But that's not all. Garlic is also rich in taurine and lipoic acid. These compounds help repair damaged collagen fibers. Meaning, garlic doesn't just slow aging, it actually helps reverse the damage already done. Number 10. Leafy greens. Now imagine feeding your skin with something that not only protects it, but actively boosts collagen production. That's exactly what leafy greens do. Spinach, kale, and other greens are rich in chlorophyll, and chlorophyll has been shown to increase collagen levels in the body. But here's where it gets interesting. Leafy greens are also packed with antioxidants. These compounds protect your skin from oxidative stress, one of the biggest causes of aging. Because when your skin cells are damaged, collagen breaks down faster, and your skin starts to lose its glow. Leafy greens help stop that process. They detoxify your body, support healthy blood circulation, and nourish your skin at a cellular level. Number 11. Berries. Sweet, delicious, and incredibly powerful. Berries are one of the best anti-aging foods you can eat. They are loaded with antioxidants, especially compounds that protect collagen fibers from damage. Every day, free radicals attack your skin, breaking down collagen and accelerating aging. Berries act like a defense system. They neutralize these harmful molecules, protecting your skin from within. But there's more. Berries also support blood flow, which means better oxygen and nutrients reach your skin. And when your skin is properly nourished, it naturally looks brighter, smoother, and younger. Number 12. Pumpkin seeds. Sometimes, the smallest foods carry the biggest benefits. Pumpkin seeds are a perfect example. They are rich in zinc, a mineral that plays a crucial role in collagen production. Without enough zinc, your body cannot effectively repair or produce collagen. This leads to slower healing, weaker skin, and faster aging. Pumpkin seeds help solve this problem. They support skin repair, boost collagen formation, and strengthen your body's natural healing process. And when your skin heals faster, it stays younger for longer. Number 13. Cashews. Cashews are more than just a snack. They are a powerful source of copper, and copper plays a key role in forming strong collagen structures. Think of collagen like a building. Copper helps strengthen the framework. Without it, collagen becomes weak and unstable. This leads to sagging skin, wrinkles, and loss of firmness. By consuming copper-rich foods like cashews, you help your body build stronger, more resilient collagen, resulting in tighter, firmer, and more youthful skin. Number 14. Avocados. Avocados are one of nature's most complete anti-aging foods. They are packed with healthy fats, which help keep your skin hydrated and soft. But more importantly, they contain vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects your skin from oxidative damage. Because one of the main reasons collagen breaks down is exposure to free radicals. Vitamin E acts like a protective barrier, shielding your skin and preserving your collagen. At the same time, the healthy fats in avocados improve skin elasticity, making your skin look plump, smooth, and youthful. Number 15. Tomatoes. Tomatoes may seem simple, but they contain a powerful compound called lycopene. Lycopene acts as a natural sunscreen from within. It protects your skin from UV damage, one of the biggest causes of collagen breakdown. Every time your skin is exposed to sunlight, collagen fibers get damaged. Over time, this leads to wrinkles, pigmentation, and premature aging. Tomatoes help reduce this damage. They protect your collagen and help maintain smooth, youthful skin. Number 16. Bell peppers. Bright, colorful, and incredibly nutritious. Bell peppers are one of the richest sources of vitamin C, and as we discussed earlier, vitamin C is essential for collagen production. But here's the difference. Bell peppers provide it in a highly bioavailable form, meaning your body can absorb and use it efficiently. This leads to better collagen synthesis, stronger skin structure, and reduced signs of aging. Over time, your skin becomes smoother, firmer, and more radiant. Number 17. Seaweed. Seaweed is often overlooked, but it's one of the most powerful anti-aging foods in the world. It contains unique bioactive compounds that stimulate collagen production naturally. But what makes seaweed special is its ability to deeply hydrate the skin. Hydration plays a huge role in how young your skin looks. Dry skin highlights wrinkles, while hydrated skin looks smooth and plump. Seaweed helps maintain this balance, giving your skin a youthful glow. Number 18. Oysters. Oysters are known as a luxury food, but they are also one of the best anti-aging foods you can eat. They are the richest natural source of zinc, and zinc is essential for collagen production, skin repair, and cell regeneration. Without zinc, your skin cannot heal properly, and aging accelerates. Oysters provide your body with everything it needs to repair and rebuild skin tissue, helping you maintain a youthful appearance for longer. Number 19. Beans. Beans may not seem exciting, but they play a crucial role in collagen production. They are rich in lysine, an amino acid that helps build collagen structure. Without lysine, your body cannot properly form collagen fibers. This affects skin strength and elasticity. Beans provide a plant-based solution, supporting collagen production naturally and improving overall skin health. Number 20. Gelatin. Finally, we come to one of the most direct sources of collagen, gelatin. Gelatin is essentially cooked collagen, making it highly absorbable by your body. When consumed regularly, it provides your body with the exact building blocks needed to repair skin, joints, and tissues. It improves skin elasticity, reduces wrinkles, and strengthens hair and nails. If you want visible anti-aging results, gelatin is one of the most effective natural options.